Hi guys, in this video let's solve together this square root of x and it's the LeetCode problem number 69. So given a non-integer, non-negative integer x and compute and return the square root of x, and because the return type is a integer, so the decimal place needs to be truncated. Only the integer part of the result is returned. So let's look at some example, and also we cannot use some built-in function. Some example is, let's say if we are given this x equals to 4, and then the square root of it will be 2, and this is non-integer, it's an integer, has no decimal place behind it, so it's just that number. And for this example in here, the number is 8, square root of it is this number, and then we don't need the integer part, we don't need the decimal place. So we only need the integer part, which is 2. So 2 is returned. So we will solve this problem using a binary search approach. Let's see how can we do that. So we have a left pointer, and also left pointer will be a 0. And also we have the right pointer, which will be the number itself. And while the left pointer is less than the right pointer, what we're going to do, we can find a midpoint. Midpoint is equal to the middle of it, so which is the left plus the right divided by 2. And if so we gonna square the midpoint. So if the midpoint is greater than x, and we can update the right pointer will be the midpoint. And so if is less than x, and then we can less than the target, so we can update the left pointer to be equal to the midpoint. And if the midpoint is exactly that, what we can do is just return it. Return m. So at the end, we need to return the integer part of the solution. If this one keep running until the point where r is greater than or equal to l, if that's the case, we just return the integer part of it, which is the, let's take this one and take the integer part of it. Let's see if it runs this test case, and let's see if it runs the for solution. Okay, time limit exceeded. So I'm gonna pause the video to figure out why and then come back. So the problem is this case number 8, and it's gonna become an infinite loop. And how can we solve that? Is we pass a 1 to the left pointer, and then we have another case where we locate for the root of 1. So and then the output will be 0. And how can we fix that? Is to put in this condition, because we assign. So basically, the while loop will not be executed, and also the x. So the r will be equal to x, and then the x squared will be the self, which is capturing this case, and then this one will be accepted. So we can see it's top 20% solution. So this is a binary search solution, and the time complexity, as you can see, there are many ways to solve it. So binary search is one of it. So for space complexity, is big O for not n. And then saying basically each time will be divided by 2, and then the time complexity is gonna reduce by the exponentially. And space complexity is big O of 1. Basically, we need this helper variables to store the intermediate step. And yeah, that's so much for this solution. I hope you like it. Yeah, I will see you in the next video. See you. Bye-bye.